Payday hits, money lands in your account, and for about 5 minutes, everything feels fine. Then reality kicks in, rent is due, phone bill is due, car payment is coming, groceries are needed, and suddenly that number in your account does not feel nearly as good as it did 5 minutes ago. Sound familiar? Because this is not a you problem. This is a system problem. And the reason most people run out of money before the next payday, every single month without fail, is not because they do not earn enough. It is because nobody ever showed them what to actually do with money the moment it arrives. In the next 9 minutes, I am going to give you the exact step-by-step budgeting system that changes this. Starting from your very next paycheck. No complicated spreadsheets, no financial degree required. Just a clear, simple system that actually works. Welcome back to Broke No More, where we give you real money systems that actually work for real people. Subscribe right now because this is one of those videos you are going to want to watch again on your next payday and share with everyone you know. Step 1, and this sounds obvious but most people skip it, know your actual take-home number, not your salary, not what your employer says you earn. Your actual take-home pay after taxes, national insurance, pension contributions, and any other deductions. This is the only number that matters for your budget. Everything else is theoretical. If you are paid monthly, your take-home is one number. If you are paid weekly or bi-weekly, calculate your monthly take-home by multiplying your weekly pay by 52 and dividing by 12, or multiplying your bi-weekly pay by 26 and dividing by 12. Write this number down right now. Put it at the very top of your budget page. Circle it. This is your total available resource for the entire month. Every single spending decision from this point forward comes out of this number. Most people budget based on their gross salary and wonder why they always fall short. Always budget from your net take-home, always. Step 2, before you spend a single dollar on anything, list every fixed expense you have this month. Fixed expenses are costs that stay the same every month and are non-negotiable. Rent or mortgage, utilities, phone bill, car payment, insurance, minimum debt payments, subscriptions you actively use. Write every single one down with its exact amount. Add them all up. This total is your survival number. The absolute minimum your money must cover every single month just to keep your life running. Now subtract this total from your take-home number. What remains is your actual discretionary money. The amount you truly have available for everything else. Food, fuel, fun, savings, investing. Most people never do this calculation before they start spending. They spend freely and then wonder why nothing is left at the end of the month. Know your survival number first. Protect it first. Then decide what to do with everything that remains. Step 3, this is the most important step in the entire system. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck lands, before you pay any bill, before you buy any groceries, before you spend a single dollar on anything, transfer a fixed percentage directly into savings or investments. If you wait to save what is left at the end of the month, there will never be anything left. Expenses always expand to consume all available income. Always. Here is the minimum target. Save at least 20% of your take-home every single month. If 20% feels impossible right now, start with 10%. Start with 5%. Start with $50. The amount matters less than the habit. Set this up as an automatic transfer scheduled for the same day your salary arrives. The money leaves your account before you can spend it. You cannot make an impulse purchase with money you cannot see. Put this money into a high-yield savings account earning 4 to 5% interest, not a regular savings account sitting at 0.01%. Paying yourself first is the single habit that separates people who build wealth from people who wonder where their money went. Step 4. Once your savings are set aside, split what remains into 3 clear buckets. Bucket 1, needs. This covers everything essential that is not already in your fixed expenses list. Groceries, fuel, basic clothing, medicine, household essentials. Target, 50% of your remaining discretionary money goes here. Bucket 2, wants. This is your quality of life money, eating out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies, streaming services. Target, 30% of remaining discretionary money goes here. This is your guilt-free spending zone. As long as you stay within this bucket, Spend it however you want. No shame. No stress. Bucket 3. Extra savings or debt payoff. This is your wealth acceleration bucket. Any extra savings beyond your step 3 amount or aggressive debt payments above the minimum. Target 20% of remaining discretionary money. Now, these percentages are targets, not laws. If your rent takes up 60% of your income, adjust accordingly. The principle matters more than the exact split. The principle is needs first, then guilt-free wants, then extra wealth building, in that order, every month. Step 4. Once your savings are set aside, split what remains into 3 clear buckets. Bucket 1, needs. This covers everything essential that is not already in your fixed expenses list. Groceries, fuel, basic clothing, medicine, household essentials. Target, 50% of your remaining discretionary money goes here. Bucket 2, wants. This is your quality of life money, eating out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies, streaming services. Target, 30% of remaining discretionary money goes here. This is your guilt-free spending zone. As long as you stay within this bucket, spend it however you want. No shame, no stress. Bucket 3, extra savings or debt payoff. This is your wealth acceleration bucket. Any extra savings beyond your step 3 amount or aggressive debt payments above the minimum. Target, 20% of remaining discretionary money. Now, these percentages are targets, not laws. If your rent takes up 60% of your income, adjust accordingly. The principle matters more than the exact split. The principle is needs first, then guilt-free wants, then extra wealth building, in that order, every month. Step 5, the step that makes the whole system actually stick. Once a week, pick a day every week, same time. Sit down for exactly 10 minutes and check in on your budget. Check your needs bucket. On track or overspent? Check your wants bucket. How much is left for the rest of the month? Check your savings. Did the automatic transfer go through? Check your debt payments. All minimums covered? That is it. 10 minutes, once a week, every week. This weekly check-in is what keeps small overspends from becoming financial disasters. When you catch yourself overspending in week 2, you still have 2 weeks to adjust. When you never check, you only discover the problem when your account hits 0. Use a free app like Rocket, Money, or even a simple notes app on your phone. You do not need a complex spreadsheet. You just need consistency. 10 minutes once a week is the price of financial control. Most people spend more time scrolling social media in an hour than they spend looking at their money in an entire month. So there it is, the exact 5-step budgeting system that actually works, starting from your very next paycheck. Step 1, know your real take-home number, not your salary, your actual net pay. Step 2, list every fixed expense and calculate your survival number. Step 3, pay yourself first automatically the moment your paycheck lands. Step 4, split what remains into needs, wants, and extra savings using the 50-30-20 principle. Step 5, do a 10-minute weekly check-in on the same day every week. That is it. 5 steps, 1 system. And the reason this works where other budgets fail is because it does not ask you to be perfect. It gives you a structure that handles the essentials automatically and leaves you with guilt-free money to actually enjoy your life. I have linked the best free budgeting apps and the books that help me build this system in the description below. Grab any book through my Amazon link and support Broke No More at 0 extra cost to you. If this gave you a system, subscribe right now. Every week on Broke No More, we give you real tools to go from broke to built one move at a time. Comment below. Which step are you starting with on your next payday? I read every single one. You are not broke forever. You are just one move away. This is Broke No More.